Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair lace, if you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
What's up, my lowriders? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's exactly how you also become a lowrider. Okay, you guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a silk press on my client's hair. And she has no relaxer or any chemicals in her hair. So this is her natural hair, you guys. She just came out of braids. So yeah, we're going to be pressing and flat ironing it. Right now I'm blow drying it. I already shampooed and conditioned it off camera. So sit back, relax, and watch me work. Okay, you guys, right now I'm pressing the hair, and usually what I do is I press the hair in sections, and after I press each section, I flat iron it, and that's called a silk press, you guys. So she will be getting a silk press today. You guys, my client fell asleep. And if you guys pay attention to my sections, I'm not taking a whole lot of hair in each section that I flat iron, or each piece that I flat iron. And then when that section is done, I'll go back over it and put all the hair together and flat iron it, because the hair acts as a cushion and it promotes heat to the other hairs. When you go back through and you put all the hair in. You guys, look how soft that hair is. And it's shiny, super shiny. Well, not super shiny right now, but it is shiny. My lighting is horrible in my beauty room. I have to do something about that. I keep saying that, but I haven't done it yet. But keep watching and you'll see the final results. What I'm putting on her hair now is the Cheese Silk Infusion, you guys. And this gives it that glassy, shiny look, you guys. But it does not weigh the hair down. And I'll put this on after I'm finished flat ironing or pressing or doing any kind of style. I don't put it on before. I use the Silk Guard, which is a heat protectant before I blow dry and flat iron, you guys. These products are excellent, and this is not sponsored. I love Chi products. Okay, you guys, remember I said my lighting was bad inside my beauty room, and it is. Her hair is so shiny. You guys, when I walked her to her car outside, oh my God, it was amazing. It was cold, but I wanted to say, can you do the walk again so that I can get this on camera? But it was so cold outside, I just said, never mind. I'll do it the next time. But just trust and believe, her hair was shiny like glass, you guys. I'm giving her a trim right now, and you might say, why didn't you give her a trim in the beginning? Because for me and how I do it, and the reason I do it the way I do it is because when the hair is bone straight, it's the true length, and you get a better trim. And she's just getting a baby trim anyway, you guys. And a baby trim is where you just barely, you touch the ends, but just make it look neat because her ends weren't bad at all. What I just sprayed with some light hairspray, Chi hairspray, and it's very, very light, just to keep the little bump in her hair on the ends. And that's it, you guys. That hair still flowed. Oh my gosh, it still flowed. It was so pretty. You guys, look at that shine. Even though my lighting sucks in my beauty room, look at that shine in that body. Oh my God. Hair had movement. Okay. That's what I'm talking about, Miss G. Oh, I'm sorry. I just sniffled all in you guys' ear. But look at that, girl. Look at that. Look at that. That's what hair's supposed to look like when you get a silk press. that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll put all the products in the description box that I use on our hair. And again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below.